The Andrea Doria, the Italian luxury liner seen in these rare 1953 photos, was built by the Genoa-based shipbuilding company Ansaldo in 1951. The ship was named after the 16th-century Genoese admiral Andrea Doria and was designed to be a state-of-the-art vessel, equipped with the latest technology and luxury amenities. The maiden voyage of the Andrea Doria in 1953 was a highly anticipated event, as the ship was hailed as one of the most luxurious and advanced ocean liners of its time. Passengers on the maiden voyage were treated to a range of amenities and activities, including fine dining, live entertainment, and recreational facilities such as a swimming pool and movie theater. The ship's interior featured ornate frescoes and sculptures, as well as elegant furniture and decorative touches such as Venetian glass chandeliers. However, tragedy struck on the evening of July 25, 1956, when the Andrea Doria collided with the Swedish liner MS Stockholm off the coast of Nantucket, Massachusetts. The Andrea Doria's remains are now a popular destination for experienced divers.